Freelance writing is a profitable and flexible side hustle. Here's a streamlined guide to help you earn $500 a week. Freelance writing covers blog posts, copywriting, social media posts, and more. Focus on high-demand areas like blog posts and articles. As a beginner, expect to earn 0.5 first 0.10 cents per word. Writing a 1,000-word article can earn you between $50 and $100. Create sample articles on topics you're passionate about. A simple portfolio website showcasing your work will attract clients. Start using freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger, which have numerous writing gigs. You can pitch directly to businesses too. Personalize your pitch for each client. Attach relevant writing samples and follow up if you don't hear back. Set a weekly work schedule and break down tasks into smaller parts. Use tools like Google Calendar or Trello to stay on track. Once you start earning $500 a week, you can scale up by increasing your rates and focusing on higher-paying projects. Freelance writing can quickly become profitable if you stay consistent. Set clear goals and manage your time well to earn $500 a week.